Okay, welcome back. It's June 20th. Hope everybody had a good Juneteenth. Let's go over the trade recap for today. As you can see here, the executions. Here we go. Bang, bang. Okay. So, took this trade on NASDAQ. Let's drop down to the 1 minute. So, market opened. As you can see, market opened right here. And we had, uh-oh, my bad. Okay, so we had a sweep of these right before market open, and then we were headed towards these highs. We did not sweep out these highs. On ES, we did not sweep out these highs. Um, so immediately I was looking for trades to the downside after that sweep. I did think we were going to sweep out these highs, but we left them. And here's the first presented fair value gap of the day. And as you can see, price just dropped until 1026, and then it had a little bit of retracement and then just continued to drop. So I was a little bit upset that I couldn't get in on this. Yes, you could have sold right here as and kind of front ran the situation where price is coming down and we moved up. But this is like just a very hard trade just to see something that's not in my trading plan, so I'm not gonna take this probably ever. It's just something I'm not willing to trade. I just don't want to trade it. But yeah, as you can see, price ran down, taking out lows. And then we had this retracement. Yes, you could have gotten right here. But price already hit a lot of the key levels that I was looking for today. These equal lows. Um, these equal lows down here. It didn't get there yet, but you're already in a heavily um, premium range for selling. So this just wasn't a trade I was looking to take. But I left the charts on the 5 minute, and I see this fair value gap get filled. Um, we see this order block right here off of this fair value gap. ES definitely was trying to run a little bit higher at this point. So I got in. Um, I got in right here, as you saw on my trade locker. Got in right here. I got out right here kind of on accident. I definitely did get lucky because I meant to only take a partial right here, but I accidentally closed my full position down here. With that being said, it did work out in my favor. But I definitely was targeting this uh new day opening gap. As you see, I had a timer on here to take profits because I was away at lunch. Um, so what happened was price came down and look at the bodies of the candle respecting this new week opening gap, which is from a while from Sunday the 15th, that new week opening gap. And so this was definitely going to be take profit one, and then 50% of this gap being filled is going to be our full take profit. Now I was looking at price kind of slowed down, meandered all around. I see the bodies of the candle respect, or I closed out before this, but I'm looking and I'm like, okay, we took out the day low. It's Friday. You know, price already dropped a lot today. Let's see from the high, yeah, we've dropped 1.62%, and it's Friday. I'm like, this gap probably won't get filled today just because it's Friday. And that's just kind of like the typical Friday kind of thing. It's just not gonna always go all the way to your targets. It just doesn't have. It's not in a rush to be anywhere. People are getting off work. Traders are not trading as much. So basically, that's like the trade for today. Got in right here, got out right here, based off this 5 minute fair value gap. My stops were originally up here, right about there, to give it some breathing room. And then I moved my stop down just above these highs because after this move, If it wanted to go higher, then my trade would have been compromised and I needed to get out. And luckily I got out below these lows, made some money today. Did not expect to take a trade today just because of this massive price run down. Um, this was, majority of the move happened in the first hour and a half, like always. But we did find a trade at 11:50, the last macro before lunch. And yeah, I hope everybody has a good weekend. Safe trading. Summer solstice. Yeah, just and please, I only got one subscriber. Someone else could subscribe. That would be great. Like the video, comment, share for more.